What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is D the Cyberman. I post videos about tech, finance, and my software engineering journey. I post content twice a week, so if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Also, if you found this video helpful or if it gave you a different perspective, feel free to go ahead and drop a like. It would mean a lot to this channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a parody to the last video I posted, which was about why computer science is a bad major. In today's video, we're gonna be discussing why computer science is a good major. Also, if you guys missed last week's video, you can find it in the description below, or you can find it on the right-hand side banner. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. First reason, and probably one of the most obvious reasons why computer science is one of the best majors, is the amount of pay that comes with most computer science jobs. Let's be honest, if you're told to choose between a job that can guarantee you a six-figure salary while sitting in the comfort of your house, you take that in a heartbeat. Thanks to the National Labor Relations Act, known as the Wagner Act, and due to some sketchy things regarding people's pay, such as gender pay gaps, a lot of states such as California decided to add additional pay transparency laws, such as SB 1162, that passed in the state of California in January 1st, 2023. Not only California, but many other states also passed these types of pay transparency acts to help employers understand how much they are actually valued in today's market. With these new laws and regulations that have been passed, we are now able to get a true picture of just about every professional salary. On levels.fyi, a site that tracks a wide variety of professional salaries, we can see that software engineers at most mid-sized tech companies are easily making six figures. Even if you're working at a gas and oil company like Chevron, who isn't remotely known as a tech company, we can see that their entry-level software engineers are making about $100,000 after bonuses. Now, if we take a look at the top tech company salaries, it gets even crazier. It's not uncommon to hear people at these types of companies to be making over $500,000 in total compensation. Next reason why majoring in computer science can be a good idea is the work-life balance that comes with a computer science major and computer science-like jobs. Most jobs such as investment bankers, being a doctor, lawyer, or even blue-collar jobs such as construction and kitchen jobs come with either a long path in school for doctors and lawyers or grueling long, physically demanding hours for blue-collar jobs. While as a job like software engineering or most jobs that you can land with a computer science degree don't really require you to work more than the standard 40 hours a week. And a lot of the perks that come with computer science jobs can also ease the mental strenuous tasks that are needed for the job, such as free food, comfortable work environments, and no physical labor. The next point I wanted to make about why computer science is such a good major is the amount of entrepreneurship opportunities that come with a computer science degree. Being an entrepreneur is talked about a lot in today's society, and that's for a good reason. A lot of entrepreneurs have traits that everyone wants, such as leadership, financial stability, and purpose. What no one talks about though is just how many of the top entrepreneurs have come from STEM majors or majoring in computer science itself. People such as Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg are all at one point people who majored in computer science and took the skills that they learned in school and throughout their career and started their own tech companies and eventually became extremely successful entrepreneurs. Not saying a computer science degree will guarantee you to make you a successful entrepreneur, but in my opinion, and it might be an unpopular one, is that learning tech skills and becoming adequate in the skills needed to be a great software engineer or computer scientist, it will give you a better leg up in entrepreneurship than majoring in, let's say, a business degree would. I say this because in today's modern world, all the top companies based off revenue and market cap comprises of tech companies. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. If you guys think I missed any points, go ahead and share in the comments below on why you think computer science is a good major. And if you guys like this video, please feel free to drop a like. It will mean a lot. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And until next time.